Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Steam Cloud Save not syncing. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first being your internet connection. What you want to do is simply right click on your network, click on network and internet settings and go to Ethernet. This is where you want to simply click on edit on the DNS server assignment and then turn it from automatic to manual, turn on IPv4 and put the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.8 and simply go ahead and save it. Once you do this, it should go ahead and solve your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you want to press Windows R and then write exactly what I've done right over here, which is %localappdata % and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for the Steam applications folder and delete everything that is inside of the folder. Once you do that, it should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you want to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.